In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view ads on Google Ads. Navigating the digital waters of Google Ads can sometimes feel a little overwhelming, especially if you're new to the platform. But fear not. Today I'm here to guide you through the process of viewing your ads, which is crucial for understanding how your campaigns are performing and ensuring your messages are reaching your desired audience. Let's simplify this process and make it as easy as pie. First things first, to kick things off, you'll need to access your Google Ads account. If you've already got this sorted, you're one step ahead. For those who haven't, simply head over to the Google Ads homepage. Once there, you'll find yourself at the gateway to a world where your advertising dreams can start to take shape. Log in if you haven't already. This is your first step into a larger world. Now, you're in. You'll be greeted by what's known as the overview page. Here, Google tries to give you a snapshot of everything happening in your account, but what we're interested in lies a bit deeper. To get to the heart of today's mission, which is to view your ads, we must venture further. Next up, locate the Campaigns tab. This is your command center for everything campaign related. Clicking on this will take you to a listing of all your campaigns, a comprehensive overview of your ongoing battles in the advertising arena. Each campaign you've launched in a bid to capture the attention of the digital world is listed here. Now for the main event, viewing your ads. Within the campaign section, you'll see another option labeled Ads. It's time to click on this. This section is where the rubber meets the road. It's where all your creative efforts come to life, displayed in a manner that lets you view, review, and modify them as needed. By selecting ads, you're taken to a page where every ad you've ever imagined and brought into being is listed. Here you can see at a glance how each ad is performing, what messages are resonating with your audience, and perhaps most importantly, how you're communicating with potential customers. This is the pulse of your advertising efforts, a place where you can see the fruits of your labor and make necessary adjustments to ensure maximum impact. While navigating through your ads, it's essential to pay attention to how they're performing. Look at the metrics provided by Google, such as click-through rates, impressions, and conversions. These numbers tell a story, providing invaluable insights into what's working and what might need a tweak or two. Understanding this data is key to refining your advertising strategy and ensuring your ads not only reach your target audience, but also engage them effectively. And that, dear viewers, is how you view your ads on Google Ads. Simple, right? With just a few clicks, you're able to dive deep into the performance of your advertising efforts, gaining insights that will help shape your strategies. Moving forward, whether you're new to Google Ads or a seasoned pro, remembering these steps will ensure you always know how your ads are doing and how you can potentially improve them. Keep experimenting with different ad formats and strategies to see what works best for your business. Remember, the digital advertising landscape is always changing, so staying agile and informed is key to success. Thank you for tuning into today's tutorial. I hope this guide has helped demystify the process of viewing ads on Google Ads for you. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to navigate the digital marketing space with ease. Until next time, happy advertising.